Some facilities pay for 2 or even 3 grease trap pump outs per quarter. Keep watching this video for common questions about grease trap maintenance and learn how you can spend less on pump outs. Grease traps or grease interceptors are designed to catch fatsos and greases, or fogs, before it enters the sewer system to prevent clogged drains in commercial kitchens, restaurants, and food processing facilities. Every so often, they need to be pumped out using specialized equipment, which can be a significant expense. Paying for frequent pump outs of your grease trap can quickly add up to a large bill. At State Chemical, we specialize in chemical solutions that will break up and digest fatsos and greases in the grease trap, ensuring that you don't have to hire that vac truck quite as often. Why keep spending money on unnecessary pump outs when you could reduce them with the right treatment? Let's jump into some common questions about grease trap maintenance, starting with, why should I implement grease trap maintenance? It can be disastrous if your grease trap backs up or overflows during a busy period at your restaurant. To avoid this, you're probably already pumping out your grease trap on a regular basis. Whether it's required by law or not, every grease trap needs a pump out at some point. Many facilities turn to chemical grease trap maintenance because it can be cost savings compared to more frequent pump outs. Suppose that you currently don't use chemical maintenance for your grease trap, so you pump out once a month. If you were to add chemical maintenance to your grease trap, you might be able to reduce the frequency of these grease trap pump outs to once every 3 months or more. It does take time, though most kitchens won't see the full results of bacterial grease trap maintenance for about 3 months. Chemical treatment is preventative maintenance, ensuring that fatsos and greases buildup is lessened over time and less frequent pump outs are required. What chemical maintenance options are available? There are enzyme-based, bacteria-based, soy-based, and green-friendly options to treat grease traps of all shapes and sizes. It all depends on the size of your grease trap, severity of the buildup, and what local regulations dictate you can use. Maintenance chemicals work to break down the fatsos and greases through bacteria digestion or emulsification. If you're stuck between a few options or want an expert opinion, reach out to State Chemical for a free survey and we'll recommend the best solution for you. Are there local regulations to consider? Before investing in any treatment options, look up your city or county's environmental health department website and search for pre-treatment policies or grease trap maintenance guidelines. Many places prohibit the use of enzymes, solvents, or emulsifiers that break down grease to prevent the fogs from reaching the city sewer system. You could also contact your local water or sewer authority, as they usually have rules about what can and can't go into a grease trap. Depending on where you are located in the United States, Canada, or Puerto Rico, these rules can vary, so be sure to do a bit of research before implementing a program or get in touch with your local state chemical representative who will already be familiar with regulations in your area. Can chemical dosage be automated? If you're on a program with State Chemical, we can set up a pump that will automatically dose the correct amount of chemicals to meet your needs. In addition, we'll install the pump, check in on your facility periodically, and train your staff on proper procedures, all free of charge. Now that you've heard the answers to common grease trap maintenance questions, visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to start on the path towards less pump outs and well-maintained grease traps.